Now, we already talked about the top 10 toxic Filipino traits. Something na sobrang nakarelate tayong lahat. And understanding all that, our upbringing, our goal is to change for the better. But in this video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga taong dapat nating iwasan. So it's both external and internal. External means mga taong dapat mong iwasan. Maybe hindi mo napapansin na may mga kaibigan ka, tropa ka na toxic, kaya hindi ka masaya, kaya hindi peaceful yung buhay mo, kaya ang gulo ng buhay mo. Or maybe because of the community that you're in, or the videos you are watching every single day, your influence of choice, maybe you are toxic as well. Baka naman ikaw mismo yung toxic. O kaya baka nahawa ka lang din sa community mo. Bottom line, if you wanna change, and if you want to be happy and peaceful, watch the whole video. And later in this video, I will share with you an extremely powerful framework para mas maintindihan nyo gaano ka-importante na umiwas sa mga toxic na tao.